coffee pot going in the background. Red Bird vintage box. This box is actually huge. It's big. This is for the month of May. So we are going to open it and see what's in it. My cat, which I'm going to have to set the chair out for her, immediately recognized the box. And she's like, yay, the box is here. Because she loves the box and she loves the fact that it smells like washing powders. And I think my cat has just a wee bit of OCD. See, look, cat hair. Cat hair's already... Oh, and I thought I hid it from her pretty well, too. And you can tell it's her hair. Okay. Tissue paper. And I do reuse this box, and I do reuse this tissue paper. Okay, so let's see if... I don't know how to give you guys a better... Like, is that better? Okay, so... I see why this box was so big now. I also saved all of this ribbon. Dear Heather, we hope you love your box this month. Now see, this is what I love about them. They handwrite everything. And I'm like, that is something that people do not do anymore. And I mean, I still do it because I'm cool like that, but other people don't. Okay, so this is probably jewelry. I call it the Little House on the Prairie bags because it kind of looks like something she would wear. Okay, now this I requested. I didn't request it for me though. I should explain that first. I did request this for my sister, Sherry, because this is what she's into. It's not my style, but my sister is 100% into that after she watched American Horror Story Coven. Yeah, so she's been into that. Kit Kat, you want the tissue? Alright, so let's see what's happening over here. Oh, come on. Okay, now this I requested for me. Now, I am so deep into the patent leather. I love these bags. Like, even now, like, if you look at the bags that I buy, they look like this. So, also, I've actually never had a scarf before. So, that is a pretty swanky deal that I got a scarf out of this, too. Let's see what the scarf looks like. Oh, it's plaid. Oh my god. I don't know whether I'm going to keep this attached to the pocketbook because I love it attached to the pocketbook, but I also love it in itself, so I don't know, but I am loving this pocketbook because it actually looks like it'll hold a good bit. It's in awesome condition. It's actually in really awesome condition, so I'm so happy. Alright, Kit Kat, hold the tissue. Alright, let's do the little, you know what, let's take the stuff out the box, and let's do it that way. So we have another thing, and another thing, and another thing, and then we're going to set the box down. Okay. I have a very small kitchen. Okay! Now, the first thing I see that I'm excited about is the cookbooks. I collect cookbooks. I love them. They are my joy. I love to read them and sometimes decipher them depending on the year because, man, I've read some stuff that I don't know how people survived. And I got 2 cookbooks, which is amazing. Because like I said, I collect cookbooks. Every time my father-in-law goes somewhere, he actually buys me a cookbook. And they normally get them for me for Christmas too. So this is amazing. This in the pocketbook is already like the bomb diggity. Okay, so let's do the little packages first. Alright, come on, little package. Cat's already at the box. Alright. We have a cute little brooch. Can you see that? I don't know. But that one's actually like super cute. And I'm actually thinking kind of about giving the little brooch to my sister. Because she might put that on the hat. I don't know. And this is a much bigger brooch. I don't know what I'd do with this. I mean, that would look great on a coat, but it's super huge for me. But I don't know. I'm gonna think about that one. But I'm pretty sure that one, I'm gonna set that one with my sister's stuff. Yeah, because that seems a little bit up her ballpark. Okie dokie. What is this? Okay. This is, now I think I know what this was used for. I think this used to be like a cigarette case. Because actually when I worked at a retail store, they still sold these. That, I'm not saying how long ago that was, but it was Anye or Agner was what they called it around here. But my sister vapes. That's the one with the hat. So actually, I'm going to give her this too, because I think this fits her personality pretty well. It's not my personality, but it definitely fits hers. So, alright, let's see. Oh my God, it's a little apron! Oh, guys, that is like, you do not cook in that. That is 100% like, you're not there for the food. That's a terrible description. That's an honest description. Because if the apron looks like that, she ain't there. Yeah, no. Oh, I like this one too. This is another apron. This one is a lot more functional. This one actually looks like my grandmother's. Yeah, this one actually looks like my grandmother's, so I'm definitely digging this. Hers was green. So I love that. And let's see. Oh, they sent me 3 aprons because I told them I love to cook, and they sent me 3 super adorable aprons. This one's my favorite. Then there's that spicy little yellow ditty right there that I mean seriously, you don't cook in this. Or if you do cook, you don't cook anything from the South, because that would never work. You would be just setting yourself on fire. We fry everything. Alright, so saving the ribbon. And believe it or not, thanks Redbird, I made baby face mask out of these. I did. I actually used them for baby face mask because it's a really soft ribbon. Upcycling. Be proud of me. Oh my God. Okay, I did request this. Now hear me out. I don't like animal prints. I know that. But it's not the animal print so much as I'm going to turn the camera. Hopefully I'm going to turn the camera. Can you see me? Okay. For some odd reason, my fat head looks amazing in a pillbox hat. I don't know why. It's like my head is so fat, but it's like a pillbox hat. It works. And it just sits there. I I don't know why that works for me. But it does have the matching gloves. I don't know if the gloves are going to fit. I have like weird long fingers. I have long fingers, guys. They're not fat. They're just like long. Oh! And it does have like some holes. But I am learning how to mend. So I'm not mad at that. It is vintage. It's actually vintage. It's got the original box. So I can actually mend that. So that's not a big deal to me. Because like I said, I am learning how to mend. Be proud of me, people. It does have a belt with it. Which I'll never, ever, ever, ever use. One, I don't use belts. Two, not a huge fan of animal print, but I think when you put this with a like just a plain black coat, the coat pattern that I want to learn to make is called a princess coat, so it's real fluffy. And if I get that done with this hat, I'll probably put like a black pin or something, maybe some black ribbon, bias tape around it, kind of make it match the gloves more so it's got a little bit more black on it. Does that make sense? So to tone down the wow. Did that sound like a cat? Wow. I think I'm mocking my cat, not normal cats. So, yeah, that's going to bother me now if I can't make a cat sound. Okay, so, I love this. I love this so much. I love it so much. Like, I'm almost scared to use it. You ever, like, love anything so much that you're scared to use it? Because I'm 100% there. The aprons I love. I'm actually, now that I think about it, what I may do is I may set up like a shadow box and use this as like a craft room decor, like set up a sewing box, put some of my favorite recipes in it, and kind of have like a cute little kitchen kind of thing. That's something that I'm seriously thinking about now. This was not my style. They haven't quite got to know me yet because I am a complicated creature. I'm not complicated. I'm just terrible to shop for. This I'll give to my sister. She'll love it. And this I'll give to my sister because she'll love it. She has a smaller head than me. Does this look? I hope this does look like Coven. For some odd reason, I think every hat on me looks like Blossom. I don't know. But that's her style, so definitely going to make sure she gets these things. And definitely going to keep the ribbon. Thank you guys for all the awesomeness. I'm so excited to read the cookbooks. I'll probably finish those by this weekend. My cat says thank you for the box. At one point, they're going to probably be like one in every room because she won't let me get rid of them. So that's going to end up being a problem one day. But I hope everybody has a good day and a good week. And I'll try to put the link below for the Redbird subscription box because they're actually really awesome. And if you go to their YouTube channel and you watch their videos, they're actually really fun to watch. And I hope everybody has a good day.